Feeling overwhelmed by YouTube, editing, writing thumbnails, sometimes it feels like too much, right? Especially when you're over 40, balancing work, family, and life. But here's the truth, you don't have to do everything alone. AI tools today can save you hours every week. They can help you create faster, smarter, and with so much less stress. Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI in a simple, practical way so content creation become lighter and more enjoyable. I am Asif Akash and this is Travel Vista, where I help creators 40 and beyond grow on YouTube and use smarter tools to make content creation simple and sustainable. If you often feel overwhelmed or unsure where to start, this video will empower you. The problem overwhelm kills consistency. Let's be honest, when you are over 40, your time and energy feel different. Maybe you have long work hours, maybe you have family commitments, maybe your schedule is always full. Most creators don't quit because they lack passion. They quit because the process feels too heavy. Hours of editing, rewriting scripts, struggling with thumbnails, and when your mind feels heavy, you stop posting. That's where AI helps. It takes away the hardest part so you can focus on your message, your story, your voice. AI does not replace creators, AI support creators. Today we talk about the tools. So tool number 1, ChatGPT for script writing and ideas. Let's start with my biggest time saver, ChatGPT. If you sit down to film and don't know where to begin, or your ideas feel messy, or scripting feels stressful, ChatGPT can give you a clean outline or a full draft in seconds. Just type something simple like write a few minutes YouTube script for creators over 40 about time management. You will get a structure, flow, and clear idea instantly. This alone can save 1 to 2 hours of brainstorming. But here's the key, don't copy it, customize it. Add your tone, your stories, your experience. ChatGPT does not replace your voice, it strengthens it. Tool number 2, CapCut for smart editing. Editing used to take hours, sometimes days. But with CapCut AI tools, you can finish the same work in minutes. CapCut automatically removes long pauses, cuts filter words, fix sounds level, adds subtitles, suggests clean transitions. If you are busy, this is complete game changer. Instead of spending an hour editing a 10 minutes video, CapCut can do the heavy lifting in about 15 minutes. It's simple, it's fast, and it's free. Although you can have paid version as well. Tool number 3, Canva Magic Studio for thumbnails. A good thumbnails can double your views, but many creators over 40 think they need Photoshop or graphic designing skills. Not anymore. Canva Magic Studio can generate thumbnails ideas, remove backgrounds, suggest color combination, improve your face clarity, match your brand style. It's like having a virtual designer right beside you. If thumbnails stress you out, Canva make the process easy and fun. A clean, modern thumbnail can make your channel look professional, even if you film with your phone. Now we talk about bonus tip, repurpose everything with AI. This is where AI truly shines. One idea can become multiple pieces of content with almost no extra work. Here how. Take your main YouTube video, use AI to pull key quotes, turn them into Instagram Reels, then into YouTube Shorts, then into a LinkedIn post, then into TikTok clips. ChatGPT, CapCut, and tools like Descript can extract the best moments automatically. You go from one idea to 5 different formats in a minute. This is how busy creators stay consistent. They are not working harder, they are working smarter. And you can do so. Mindset shift. AI enhances your creativity. Let me say something important. AI will not replace your creativity. It cannot replace your life experience, your personality, your wisdom, your voice. AI removes the tasks that drain you energy, but you provide the heart and the meaning. Think of AI as a digital assistant that handles the boring work so you can focus on storytelling and connecting with people. After 40, what we have is not speed, it's experience. AI help us express that experience more effectively and efficiently. Simple weekly workflow example. Here's a simple workflow you can follow every week. Step 1. Use ChatGPT for your script ideas. Step number 2. Record your video on your phone. And step number 3. Upload into CapCut and let AI clean the video. Step number 4. Make your thumbnails using Canva Magic Studio. Step 5. Use ChatGPT to write your title and description. Step number 6. Repurpose your clips into shorts or reels. This workflow saves time, reduce stress, and keep your consistent even with a busy life. If this opened your eyes to what AI can do for you, type #SmartCreator40 in the comments below. I will share my personal AI workflow that you can copy instantly. And next week, I will teach you how to design YouTube thumbnails like a pro, even if you are not a designer. So make sure to subscribe. Let's grow together the smart way. This is Asif Akash, and you are watching Travel Vista YouTube growth for life success after 40. Thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next one.